Boiled shrimps with pesto, pasta, mozzarella and veggies. Ingredients: shrimps, whole grain pasta, cherry tomatoes, pesto, mozzarella, 1 carrot, olive oil, salt. Step 1. Remove the shrimp's heads, then rinse under cold water to further clean them. Step 2. Pour water in a pot, then bring it to a hard boil. Place the shrimps inside, sprinkle salt and add some olive oil. Stir, then place the lid on top and hard boil for 2 minutes. Step 3. Drain the water from the pot, then rinse under cold water. Let the shrimps rest in cold water while the pasta is cooking. Step 4. Bring water to a boil. Put the whole grain pasta in. Once it softens, cover the pot with a lid. Boil for a further 10 to 12 minutes. Step 5. Drain the water, then pour some olive oil on top of the pasta and stir to distribute well. This will ensure that your pasta won't be sticky in the fridge. Step 6. Peel the shrimps and the carrot. Peeling the shrimps becomes easier when they have rested in the cold water after boiling. Serve with pesto, cherry tomatoes and mozzarella and enjoy.